Yes, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly, if you are new here, subscribe. If you are returning subscriber, thank you for appreciating my videos. Today I'm going to talk about something small, just to encourage some of you who feel like giving up in life because of some situations that they are in. So maybe they talked about you, maybe they rejected you, maybe they left you out. They laughed at your dream, but they did not end up there. They added that you will never make it. But guess what? You don't need their support to rise. You don't need their approval to succeed. Because what they did not know is that you were planted. You were not buried. You cried, yes, but you did not quit. You broke, yes, but you did not stay down. You walked through the hell, that painful situation that you was. But you are still standing. That rejection that you felt, it was not the end. But I've come to tell you that it was God's redirection. He closed the doors to protect you. That is our God. He removed those people to prepare you. Maybe those people might have destroyed your life. He allowed the storm, that painful situation that you experienced, to strengthen you. Now it is your season to rise, not with revenge, not with pride, because you experienced pain, maybe you suffered because of them, but with power, purpose, and peace. Don't explain your glow. Don't justify your breakthrough. Just rise, rising, because your story is a proof, enough proof that you can be forgotten by people, but still chosen by God. Thank you for watching my video. May God bless you so much. Kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. I will appreciate.